host, Jack McKay. How are you today? I just almost never on Facebook, but we're doing some Facebook ads to get the word out about our work and so on, right? Uh, and this is about the Bulletproof Trust. This video, you can get it on libertyaid.org. See right here, in the store, and you can get it on jackmckay.com in the store. There you go. Okay, so what's this video about? Well, it's about this old post I did, a live feed I did. I went down to Freemason Hall, Sarasota. I prayed for, against them, basically. Said a lot of truth there. Now, because I'm doing this video, I'm going to share this what is it, your story, okay? Share to your story now, public, okay? So, what is this? I guess this is your story now. What does this mean? Share now, public. That's what I'm going to do, okay? So, it's going to be like, you don't have to go down to 2017. You can just probably go see this, share it again, okay? Up on the front here. But I don't want to lose my spot as we go, okay? So this was kind of an explanation. Okay, it's been shared to the timeline. That's good. This is an explanation of, Freemasons or Satanists. You can sell your soul down there to the devil, okay? And I have the only option where you can change affiliation, right? This is all about, the video was talking about the In God We Trust. We is the name of Satan, the devil, right? Lucifer, right here, that lady, Liberty, the androgynous lady, right? And if you wanted more information on this, you can go to my channel on YouTube. There's one about the In God We Trust, okay, on my channel. Get more details there. I don't want to go into all that, but Freemasonry, of course, is the 33rd level. They worship the devil, okay? And I go into that, like I said, in this video and so on, and other videos. But what I want to do is kind of focus on, there's a little, framework, okay? Thank you for being patient with that. Now, I want to get down to a response that was posted in here, okay? And it was a recent response, okay? This is 22 hours ago. This is 2019, 9/12, day after 9/11. So I guess this was posted on 9/11, right here. It's one of the Freemason holy days, okay? Because of 9/11 and all that. They just worship that date. They're all by the numbers, signs and symbols. Everything, I go into the numbers here, what numbers on their door, see that, 3 times 6, 666, everything on the door, everything is about the devil. But now, let's get down to what was posted on the bottom of this, because it's just, you hear about a lot of stuff on the internet. Of course, somebody's coming by to mow the grass up. This doesn't mess up the video, but it's just like that, isn't it? Okay, so this is, there are a lot of hoaxes on the internet, okay? What's true, what's not true, what's real, whatever. I just want to say a lot of my work is about debunking hoaxes in the financial system and in a lot of ways, right? Bringing you the truth, what can help you, okay? This video is a real video about how to become an instant millionaire. And there's a true posting here. I did this video on the Illuminati and selling your soul to the devil. Okay, you can. Everyone has their soul sold to the devil already. Okay, it's just you can get paid to do it. I brought this up many times myself. My offer came in Chase Bank when I started this trust for the first time. I was offered, as a first down payment, I was offered $485 million to not open the trust and change my affiliation. I changed it to Jesus Christ instead of the devil. And they offered me $485 million in Chase Bank on the spot. Now, that's my story, okay? You see what I'm saying? Like, And you're like, well, maybe that happened, maybe it didn't, Jack. Okay. But I post a lot of proof on everything else, you see, and I have all my clients' testimonials and all this stuff, you see. So when I take the time to say this is real, people will say, well, how do I get money? You know, you sell your soul. That's the way to get a lot of money. There is no other way here, okay? I give you hacks, tricks, many things to have enough money here. You can do that, no problem, using my tools, tricks, laws, be completely legal and have enough money, okay, to live your life and not have to go to hell because you sold your soul after this life. You don't have to do that to live your life. That's what I bring to people, okay, is a chance to not do that for the first time. But for those people that do want to sell your soul to the devil because money is really important to you, I'm making this video. And to those people, they're like, I wonder if this is real, or if there's really a devil, or if this is all you know, those people still lagging behind so far spiritually that they don't even know that's real anymore. That's why I'm posting this video. You want to sell your soul, you can do it. You can get money. You see, because I work for the God not of this only this world. I work for Jesus Christ. He can get you out of this trap, this mess that continues, okay? He's not only the God of this world. Of course he runs this world and everything. But he doesn't just only run this world. And why would he just want to give you money? You'd be trapped here. Or things. You see, that's the devil's work. And it's very clearly that, okay? So let's go into this posting, all right? Testimony of how I became an instant millionaire with the help of the Illuminati. You see, Illuminati, Freemason, whatever, the same thing, okay? Hello, viewers. I want to use this opportunity to thank Mr. Williams, WM, right? Mr. Williams, MWM, 333969, that's Lucifer. Okay, Mr. Williams, who finally helped me to become a full member of the great Illuminati Brotherhood, and now I am living my life in happiness. I am Umar Ibrahim. I was once indigent. How funny to use that word, since I do, huh? And lived my life in extreme poverty. Oh, that sounds very horrible. Not as bad as selling your soul. The standard of living became so poor and low that I even thought of killing myself. I was deeply strangled up by poverty, and I had nobody to help me. To eat was a problem to me and my family. That's why I do the work I do, so you can, cover those basics. You don't have to sell your soul to cover the basics. No, you don't. Until I met a great, generous Illuminati, I guess he means illuminated or Illuminati man, by the name of Mr. Steffi, who told me there would be no need for me to die. And he introduced me to the realm of riches and fame. He told me to get my membership form, which I did. And he told me to get ready for my initiation day, and that all new members will be given a certain reward of $50,000 US cash on my initiation day. That's a lot less than my $485 million offer, eh? I was so happy. So I was initiated to the Illuminati world, and a few days later, I was awarded a contract worth millions of dollars in my business. I am doing very well right now. I did exactly what I did exactly what I was asked to do. And today the story has changed. Isn't that just the way, right? You don't do. I did exactly what I was asked to do. What did they ask? Just for your soul, right? Okay. You're not using it, apparently, if you're open to this. Oh, I did what I was asked to do. And today the story has changed. I have up to $700,000 US in my bank account. I am a living testimony. My dream and all my wealth, fame, success, and riches I have ever desired has been made a reality. All the same thanks to Mr. Williams Clement. who made my dreams a reality by helping me become a member of the great Illuminati. Hurry up now and contact, or you can, in other words, you can click on this guy, right there on Facebook, or get him on WhatsApp. And if you don't want to know what that is, that's an app you get out there for your phone or what have you. And it's free to talk to anyone on Earth, anywhere, as long as you have Wi-Fi. And it's sort of like texting, although you can make phone calls too. Anyway, that's the number. The reason I'm doing this video is this is real, okay? I'm sure you can get in touch with this guy and talk about selling your soul, okay? That's why he posted this. I'm not taking this down. Never. No, I'm trying to show you. You think something else is going on in your life or in anyone's life, but there is not a single other thing going on in yours or anyone else's life. This is simply a test for your soul. There's nothing else going on here inside this dome of Earth. This is a game, a test, and I help you game the system. Get enough money, right? Live, be happy, okay? And don't sell your soul, and don't have to do what they say, all right? You can do what Jesus Christ said. You follow what we're supposed to do, the golden rule, right? Treat others as you would treat yourself. That's it. And you don't have to sell your soul. You don't have to do what they ask. I mean, what is this? I did exactly what I was asked to do. Now, Satan doesn't ask what you should be doing. Do you follow? Okay. Honestly, you go look at my clients' testimonials, whatever makes you comfortable. This is guaranteed to work, okay? 90-day money back guarantee if this Bulletproof Trust doesn't do exactly what I'm saying on this video. Okay, no income tax, no property tax, etc., etc. But this selling your soul thing, it's real. And I have the only contract to switch the affiliation. That means the government can't arrest you, can't put you in chains, can't put you in handcuffs, can't put you in jail. The devil and all the devil's minions, right? Government, police, military, are powerless. All of a sudden, click, the switch is off. Their power ends. That's why I was offered so much money. Because I'm here to save souls, help you. I don't care about money. My tools and tricks and hacks show you how to have enough money. That's why I do it, okay? No. They get you by this money hook. You want to be a millionaire? This is exactly how you become a millionaire. Or, my guess is, he's going for the international route, right? Get me on WhatsApp. As I say, and have said many times, go down to your local Freemason door, and when you go to knock on that door, one of two things is going to happen, because to sell your soul, right? One of two things is going to happen. It's going to be very strange to you, and this will be the first thing, and it's going to jar you a little bit, and it so unnerves you, it's NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming. They sort of take you by the ear then, and they have you. Right? You're going to go to knock on the door. They're either going to open that door right before you knock and say your name. Oh, come on in. That's going to freak you out. How'd they know I was coming? Or they're going to let you knock and try not to freak you out as much. You go, oh, Mr. Who, whatever. Come on in here. Yeah. Well, great. They know you're coming. They know you're coming. They have your offer. They looked you up. They've weighed your soul. You can go down there and negotiate. True. He just took the first 50,000, Umar. Right? He's like, because what do you then become? You become an agent of Satan, right? That's Umar here. Umar Abraham, right? What does he get? He gets a cut, How does he think he gets all this money? Why is he posting? Why is he posting this on here? Because he's happy to be with the devil? No. What is he doing with his time? I did. What is it? I did exactly what I was asked to do. He was asked to post this. You post this out there. You be our contact. What? You just tell him you get the money. And you send him over to us. And see, this guy, he's an agent for Satan. He's getting, souls in the door for Satan. He gets money. Oh, Satan's like, good job. We got another one today. You get more money. You can get money as much as you want. Millions and millions. No, tell him. Jack McKeag sent me. He said be a tough negotiator. Yeah, I said don't go. That's what Jack said. But you're gonna sell your soul. It's already sold to the In God We Trust. Go get some money. Or switch affiliation. This is real. For those people, I don't know if Jack's Trust is real. Go ahead and get the WhatsApp and use that number right there, or click on this guy and send him a message. Go ahead and do it. Go see if it's real. You don't think it's real. Go get in touch with the devil. You don't think the devil's real? Go find out everything I'm saying is true. That's what this video is about. Go be a millionaire. Yeah, go do a testimonial on this one if you want. This is a free hack right here. Free multi-million-dollar hack right here. Free. Keep me posted on how much you love working for the devil. Tell me how much Umar loves it, by the way, if you get in touch with him. Tell him how it's going over there with the no longer having a soul thing, all right? Okay, come on now. This is the stupid way to go, okay? Don't play it stupid and sell your soul. Get the bulletproof trust. Get out of this nonsense, all right? God bless your success in the name of Jesus Christ.